Let's learn the names of some first aid kit names. Kids, are you ready? Let's go!
This is a stethoscope.
This is a stethoscope. Doctors use it to listen to the sounds of the heart and lungs.
Super strong, Teddy. This is a thermometer.
This is a thermometer. It helps doctors check body temperature and see how someone is feeling.
32. You are all better. This is a blood pressure machine.
This is a blood pressure machine. Doctors use it to check how blood flows through the body.
This is a syringe.
This is a syringe. It is used to give medicine and help people feel better.
This is a reflex hammer.
This is a reflex hammer. Doctors use it to check how muscles and nerves are working.
These are medical scissors.
These are medical scissors. Doctors use them to cut bandages and other medical supplies safely.
These are tweezers.
These are tweezers. They help doctors pick up small objects with great care.
This is a medicine bottle. Don't worry, Teddy. This will make you feel all better. Look at all these bright colors.
This is a medicine bottle. It keeps medicine safe and ready when it is needed.
This is a bandage.
This is a bandage. A bandage helps protect small cuts and keeps them clean.
There you go. This is a first aid box.
This is a first aid box. It contains helpful tools used during small emergencies.
We use these to help you. This is an X-ray sheet.
This is an X-ray sheet. It shows the bones inside the body without opening anything.
This is a mask.
This is a mask. Doctors wear masks to help keep germs from spreading.
All better now. This is a clipboard.
This is a clipboard. Doctors use it to write notes about their
And
patients.
the colors. This is a dental mirror.
This is a dental mirror. Dentists use it to look at teeth from different angles.
You look great! All done! These are cotton rolls.
This is a cotton roll. It is soft and often used during medical care.
Look, all better now. This is a doctor bag.
This is a doctor bag. It carries many important tools doctors use every day.
Let's see what's inside my bag. These are glasses.
These are glasses. They help doctors see small details more clearly during checkups.
See? Right here on the chest. These are gloves.
These are gloves. Doctors wear gloves to help keep their hands clean and safe.
This is a tablet strip. These are my toy tablets. They look like candy, but we have to be careful with medicine. This is an otoscope.
This is an otoscope. Doctors use an otoscope to look inside the ears and make sure everything looks healthy and clean.
You are a very good patient. This is an ambulance.
This is an ambulance. It helps take sick or injured people to the hospital quickly.
Our friends today. Let's drive to the hospital. Everyone is safe now.
Today we learned lots of Dr. Kit tools. Which tool was your favorite? The stethoscope, the ambulance, or the bandage? Tell me in the comments. Bye-bye, little doctors! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.